Yo! Guys, let's talk about the best investments going into 2023. Let's get it. All right, come on, follow me, guys. We got some stuff to do. So 2022 is coming to an end. So let's start prepping for 2023 and talk about what are some of the best investments. Is it gonna be crypto, because crypto's crashing? Is it gonna be stocks, because it's at an all-time low? Or is it gonna be real estate, where, oh my God, doom and gloom, a lot of good deals? Well, let's talk about it. So you ready for this, guys? Since it's not those three things, I'm gonna give it right here. You ready? Yourself. Let's talk about it. Look, let's talk about why 2023 is gonna be the best time to invest in yourself and not all the other stuff. Okay, guys, follow me. Let's go to the whiteboard. Look, there are three things when it comes to investing in yourself. Number one, you're gonna invest in your mindset, right? Because right now, as we move into this recession, as we start moving into shakier times where people are losing their stuff and things are more negative than ever, you watch the news, it scares the crap out of you. You need to build and invest in a winning mindset. You need to make sure that here is positive, out there is negative. There's a lot of coaches for that. We can go into that in a later video. Number two, you must invest in your health, because your health is your wealth. And the more energy that you want, the more testosterone, the more blood pumping, it starts here, guys. Get in the gym, start running. You don't need much. That's number two. Number three, guys, very important. It is a sales and communication Jesus skill. Because if you can speak and you can sell, you can make it anywhere. All right, guys, follow me. Hey, quiet on set, guys, quiet on set. Check it out, guys. Why is it so important to invest in your skills and your mindset and your health above real estate, above stocks, above crypto? Because before you go investing in all those other things, it starts here, right? Because if you start losing money in crypto, you start losing money in stocks, you start losing in real estate, it's gonna start affecting here. And if you haven't mastered this right here, that is gonna ruin you guys. All right, guys, and the reason why I say to invest in yourself first is because it doesn't have to be very expensive. And especially all my viewers out there who are newer, who are younger, and just starting out, this will get you the highest return. Because the chances are, if you only have $10,000 or $15,000 and you put it in the stock market and you make 20-30% return, it's not that much money, guys. So invest in your mindset, invest in your skills to where now you can earn $100,000, $200,000, $300,000 a year. And now with that money, you can invest in the cryptos, the real estate, and the stocks. But it starts here, and I believe in you. So let's get it, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna go wash my hands. Oh, you guys are still here? And make sure you guys watch some of my other videos, because I'm doing it for you guys. Let's go.